Hello, I'm Hugh. I'm 7 years old and I go to the hospital a lot. Mum comes with me.
Hello, I'm Siân, Hugh's mum. Fortunately, Hugh's illness isn't serious, but it does mean having to go to a lot of hospital appointments. These appointments follow a particular order. They usually start by measuring Hugh's height and weight and some other simple test. A nurse usually does this. I told the hospital from the start that we spoke Welsh at home and that we'd prefer to be seen by a Welsh-speaking nurse. Unfortunately, we can't always be sure of this. Sometimes we're seen by a Welsh-speaking nurse and sometimes we're not. I hated having to raise this time and again with the hospital, especially as everyone was so kind. But as we were facing the same problem each time, I didn't feel that the hospital was taking my request for a Welsh language service seriously. In the end, I decided to make a complaint and I wrote a letter to the health board. Although they apologised, I wasn't given any assurance that Hugh and I would see a Welsh-speaking nurse from then on. I contacted the Welsh Language Commissioner to see if they could help me. After looking into my complaint, the Commissioner recommended a number of ways that the health board could ensure that Hugh and I received a Welsh language service. Things have changed for the better. We're glad we complained.
Public organisations in Wales have a duty to offer Welsh language services. If you have failed to receive a service in Welsh, you can complain.